Hi and welcome to another video of Type with Me. In this video we will see how we can use tagged templates, how we can create templates natively so we don't need to use another library to do HTML templating. Let's go! One thing that you need to check out is the HTMA library on GitHub. It's a library, hyperscript tagged markup, to do ESX but on an alternatively way using standard tagged templates to really minimize the overhead of your library and of the JavaScript code, which is great, right? So how does this look like? Well, you define a variable mic, you define a variable age, and then you have a function, right? And that function you can use here like my tag, and then you can use a string literal, and you can pass by two arguments, the person and the age. And then with the function my tag, here the function my tag, we have the string, which is that is a, and then we have the person expression and the age expression. So which is in our case Mike, and here it is age 28. And then we can do some kind of logic, right? So we can see if the age expression is bigger than 99, and we say centenarian, and otherwise we say youngster. When we now do here console.log output, you will see that we will get, when we build this, that Mike is a youngster, right? So he just fills in here the person expression. So first string 0, then the person expression, then string 1, and then the age string, right? So great, this is a little bit how you can use it. It's very, very basic, but you see what the power is of this, right? So tagged templates don't need to return really a string, but you can just play a little bit around with it, right? So one of the things that we can do for that is just the following. We have a function template. So then we use just, for example, T1 closure. We say template, and then our first, our second, our first, and it will print out yeah. Then we have template 2 closure, and we have here hello, and the second one will be foo, which is then world, right? Great. So if we build this, we do node dot, it says yeah hello world, but eventually you really don't need to build this within TypeScript, because it's also it also works within JavaScript, right? I can show it to you. I just here say for example p.js, and now I do node p.js, and it just prints out the same thing. So you can very easily use tagged templates within JavaScript, which is great, right? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and that you also can play around with this cool new feature within JavaScript. And see you around. Thank you for watching. Bye.